Greetings, fellow drivers. Welcome back to All You Could Know. Today, we're embarking on a journey that promises to enhance your driving experience and lighten the load on your wallets. We're about to explore 8 driving habits that can significantly reduce your fuel costs. These aren't just tips, but lifestyle changes that can make your daily commute more efficient and economical. So, buckle up, keep your eyes on the road, and let's navigate this journey together. Fasten your seatbelts, and let's dive right in. Our first habit on the list is smooth acceleration and deceleration. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, my friends, it all comes down to fuel efficiency. You see, when you accelerate or decelerate smoothly, you're not just being kind to your vehicle, you're also optimizing the way your car uses fuel. It's like getting the most out of every drop of petrol or diesel your vehicle consumes. And let's not forget about the wear and tear. Harsh acceleration and sudden stops can take a toll on your car's engine and brakes, leading to costly repairs down the road. So as you can see, this simple habit of easing off the gas and brake pedals can make a real difference. Not only does it contribute to a smoother, safer ride, but it also saves you money by making every drop of fuel count. Now let's cruise into the realm of consistent speeds. In the grand scheme of efficient driving, maintaining a steady speed is paramount. It's not just about safety, which is, of course, vital, but it's also about the harmony between your engine and its fuel consumption. When you drive at a constant speed, your engine doesn't have to work overtime. It's like giving it a steady rhythm to dance to rather than making it switch between a waltz and a tango. This steadiness allows your engine to function at its most efficient, and it's this efficiency that translates into fuel savings. So, if you're one of those drivers who love the adrenaline rush of speeding up and slowing down, it might be time to rethink that habit. Remember, your car isn't a roller coaster, it's a finely tuned machine that thrives on consistency. Cruise control might just become your new best friend on All You Could Know. Next up, we're rolling into a habit that's often overlooked, yet plays a significant role in fuel efficiency: proper tire maintenance. Picture this: you're driving with underinflated tires. Not only does it make your journey a bumpy one, but it also forces your vehicle to work harder, guzzling more fuel in the process. Now that's not what we want, is it? Checking your tire pressure is as simple as a trip to the local gas station, or even better, investing in a tire pressure gauge to keep in your car. Once a month, give those tires a good check. If they're underinflated, pump them up to the recommended PSI found in your vehicle's manual or on the driver's side door jamb. So let's put the brakes on unnecessary fuel consumption. Keep those tires properly inflated for a smoother ride and optimal fuel efficiency. And now, let's lighten the load with our next driving habit. Just as you might feel weighed down after a big meal, your vehicle can feel the strain of carrying unnecessary weight. Every additional pound can affect your car's fuel efficiency. So, what's the solution? It's time for some good old-fashioned decluttering. You'd be surprised at how much stuff can accumulate in your vehicle over time. Those golf clubs in the trunk from last summer's games, the stack of books in the back seat, or even the toolbox you've been meaning to take out, they all add up. By removing these items, you're essentially giving your vehicle a break and allowing it to use fuel more efficiently. So take a moment, go through your car and remove anything that isn't essential, clear out your trunk and back seat. Your wallet will thank you. Speaking of saving, here's habit 5. Consider this. You're stuck in traffic or waiting for someone, your engine's running, but you're going nowhere. That's fuel being wasted right there. On All You Could Know, we suggest turning off your engine during these prolonged stops. It's a simple yet effective way to conserve fuel. So next time you find yourself at a standstill, remember to turn that key. It's a small change with big benefits. Now let's navigate our way to the importance of strategic route planning. This isn't just about avoiding the frustration of traffic jams or long, winding detours. It's about fuel efficiency. By choosing the most direct path and avoiding heavy traffic, you're not just saving time. You're conserving fuel, and less time on the road also means less wear and tear on your vehicle. So the next time you hit the road, remember to plan wisely. It not only saves time, but also reduces fuel consumption. A win-win. All right, let's dig into habit 7. The oil in your engine isn't just a lubricant. It's the lifeblood that keeps your vehicle running at its best. Using the correct motor oil, specifically the one recommended by your car's manufacturer, is crucial. The right oil reduces friction, ensuring all parts work together smoothly. It also helps maintain optimal engine performance. This, in turn, improves your vehicle's fuel efficiency. So remember, using the right oil doesn't just keep your engine happy, reduces friction, keeps your engine running smoothly, and ultimately saves you money at the pump. And for our grand finale, we're spotlighting the linchpin of fuel efficiency, regular vehicle maintenance. It's like giving your car a wellness check. From swapping out the air filter to replacing spark plugs, these simple but crucial steps ensure that your car runs like a well-oiled machine, literally. Plus, they help prevent bigger, costlier issues down the line. Remember, a car in top-notch condition guzzles less fuel, so your savings multiply. Keeping your car in top shape means less fuel consumption and more savings. There you have it, fellow drivers. 8 driving habits that can significantly reduce your fuel costs. From mastering smooth acceleration to keeping your car well-maintained, these habits are your ticket to a wallet-friendly journey. Remember, it's all about making each drop of gas count. So why not start today? Put these habits into practice and see the difference for yourself. Until next time, drive smart, save big, and stay informed with All You Could Know.